my dad, Robert Visor. I work for Cotton, West Virginia. We're here at the 2012 Shenandoah County Gas and Steam Engine Association. We've come here for roughly 24 years. Brought the 1926 Maytag gasoline engine, two-cycle engine, 1 horsepower. Got a original exhaust on it here. We roll the washing machine over to the window, raise the window up, put the exhaust out the window, and kick start the engine and wash it closed. So if you'd like to see it run, I'll run it for agitator and motor. When you got done your laundry, you would tilt the hose down and allow the water to run out into your tub. You hear a lot of stories about people getting their fingers twisted up in these rollers. It really must be true. You got a long hair, you don't use the wringer. If you do, that your head back out of it. Yep. You need to change the direction of the roller head. Back out like that.
And what year model is this?
1926.
Is that the original motor?
Yes, original motor, original